On top inside Edo today, Edo host community of Nigeria producing oil and gas HOSCOM don give salute to Obaseki on top how e take dey rule the people of Edo State. Communities dem wey dey produce oil for Edo State wey dey under HOSCOM don salute Obaseki sake of say im administration dey give way make development dey shele for Edo State. Edo HOSCOM talk say we wey can see governor don provide opportunity for other people wey get development ideas for Edo to take put hand for ground and help the state take grow. Edo State Vice Chairman for HOSCOM Kenneth Aduwaye come talk say dem ready gidigba to support the plans wey Obaseki get for Edo State, and dem talk this one when dem get meeting with am for Edo Geographic Information System (Edo GIS) for Benin City. Aduwaye talk say dem call Obaseki wey can see governor because say him don do plenty ogbonge things for Edo State. He talk say although many people dey vex for am because say opportunity no dey for them to thief state money. The vice chairman come talk say he wants make governor continue to dey do good things for Edo because them dey see him hand on top infrastructure, education, healthcare and other different sectors for Edo State economy. He talk say the association where they work for Ikpoba-Oka, Oriomo and Ovia Northeast local government areas. He talk say the association where they work for Ikpoba-Oka, Oriomo and Ovia Northeast local government areas na members of the 18 local government areas for Edo State. Aduwaye talk say HOSCOM Edo State chapter don agree to work for Governor Obaseki based on all the ogbonge things wey he don do. Say make governor continue to develop Edo because Edo people want more good things make them shele for Edo State. And so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State chapter for HOSCOM don Troway better salute give Governor Godwin Obaseki on top of the developmental goals wey he get for Edo State. Make una no forget say na Till Live Media na dey bring this ogbonge updates they can't give una. My name na Mary Edoleye.